Come on! And hello guys! Today I'm playing this TOH game again. Okay. Oh. TOH. Tower of H. Okay. Nah. Oh. Okay. Easy. Oh no. I thought it was easy for a second, but no. Okay. Oh no. Ah! It's hard. It's harder than I thought it would. Okay. Oh. Are you kidding me? Why did I fall? I'm trying to walk straight, bro. Okay. Careful. How did I fall? I keep falling in that stage. Why? Okay. Oh, jump. Oh. Ah! How did I die? What? The screen just like become black. Thing. I don't even know why. That was so close. Huh. Okay, not bad. Oh, finally I'm walking now. Okay. Oh, bro. Just gonna jump right here. Okay. View. Let me unshift lock. Okay. Oh. And just jump over these. Oh. What? It was a lag. Lag. Why? Let's go. Jump. Okay, good. Oh. How did I? Let me just shut my mouth first. Okay, I can't. Just gonna. That guy is talking too much. I don't know why. Okay. And I still don't have Robux, but I joined the Faded Army. What? There's so much like slender each. Will you explain that? So much black colors here. Okay. I hope we got immorality. Oh. Man, this would be easy maybe. Oh.
What? What are you doing?
I'm playing TOH. What do you mean? Also play this game.
Oh, okay, nice.
Bro.
I will come back later.
Go. Okay, it's 5 minutes now. Let me just figure how to. Yeah, this is easy. Let me try. Boop. Ah! want to rage, you know. Oh. Oh. I'm trying to go to the corner like the pro guy. I don't know. If I die, I'm gonna end this video. So, okay, bye guys. Help me get to 15 subs and enjoy the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Help me get to 15 subs and like and subscribe and please comment and help me get to 15 subs. I already said